Hello, Miss. My name is Muhammad Ramdan Nurda, and in the video I will explain a little about that I have learned from the press meeting to the last meeting. At the press meeting, I started my study with an introduction to the rules and what is allowed and not permitted in class, and also an introduction to the material that will be studied. The, at the second meeting, I learned about the definition of interpreting and translating. There, I learned that interpreting is the process of transferring language orally, and translating is translating or giving meaning to other people. And interpreting only works for a short time, but translating has to work from a very long time, and both have their own rules at. The next or third meeting, I learned or discussed material, namely simultaneous interpreting via video. And this was the first time I learned or knew what simultaneous interpreting was, which means translating language directly. Then at the next meeting, I learned the difference between simultaneous versus consecutive interpreting via video. And what I got from this material is that simultaneous translates the language directly and interprets it, while consecutive interpreting means there is a pause before translating or interpreting. And the next meeting, I learned about consecutive through consecutive via video. What is consecutive? Then at the next meeting, I learned about note taking in consecutive interpreting. Note taking, that is, we take notes while the researcher person is speaking. Note taking use symbol that we make yourselves so that we don't lose information and helps us remember. Then after writing using symbol, we interpreted them. At the next meeting, I learned how we want to speak well. Politely, this was extraordinary for me because I know how to convey something well and correctly. And the next meeting, I was assigned to make an explanation about consecutive interpreting. Then at the next meeting, I learned about etiquette when wanted to talk in become a probable lesson or knowledge for me. And at the second or last meeting, I learned models of interpreting too. These two material discussed both interpreting numbers simultaneously on tenors and consecutive. Here I studied more deeply again about the two, how is the process, and also the back, and maybe that's what I can explain. Sorry, more or less, and I am also sorry, Miss. My English is still not fluent. I like to interpreting, but my English is still a lot wrong and not yet fluent. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And the example for note taking is saya kemarin pergi pergi ke kampus. This is not taking for symbol. I yesterday go to the campus.